Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Money Buildrr, an app produced by David Kirby Al Cheeseman. Money Buildrr is a revolutionary website, shop and funnel builder that allows you to create unlimited websites, shops, funnels with done-for-you templates, pop-ups and more. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a full demo of how this app works. But don't forget to click on the bell icon down there for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button down below. And as usual, guys, I shall be adding some of my awesome bonuses today. All you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below and it takes you to my bonus page. Okay. Now let me take you guys to, let's see what these guys are saying about this app. And this is actually the sales page. So David and Al today they are saying that with Money Buildrr you are 3 clicks away from 100% done for you sales funnels, complete with buyer traffic in as little as 30 seconds. So you got to save hundreds of dollars with no monthly fees ever. And these are the features of this app. So they are saying that you can instantly create unlimited websites, like I mentioned, unlimited hosting included, one-click integration, video training, drag and drop feature, and done for you templates, and also custom domains. And you also have a low one-time cost. That their competitors, it says their competitors like ClickFunnels and Instapage are charging every month for a service like theirs. Alright guys, I have shown you what these guys are saying this app contains, and you only need 3 steps to deploy it. So the first step is for you to log in. Of course, you purchase it and be able to log in. And then the second step you select a ready-made done for you funnel, and then the third step is for you to activate it. You see? Okay guys, now you have also seen how you can deploy this app, and these are some what the user of this app is saying about it. So this guy Branson is saying that all the the Money Buildrr products do what they promise. I have made profits and then some. I use this for my high ticket offers and mid sales. And this guy Wilfred is saying I've bought so many of these software before and they have been not so good, but this one is awesome. Great job here, guys. All right, I have shown you what some of the users of this app is saying about this app, and I will take you guys to the bonuses that he has added. And remember guys, like I said earlier, I also have 5 of my awesome bonuses that shall be added to this pack. All you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below and it takes you to my page. Remember, the clock is ticking. You have few days before this offer runs out. All right, so speaking of the bonuses that David and Al added, the first one, actually the total worth of this bonus according to them is $7,641 in bonuses. So the first one is worth $2,997, and you have access to their secret $1K a day method live training. The second bonus is a video training, so which is worth $197. So basically it says that you grab video training walkthrough that shows exact same things required to succeed with Money Buildrr. And then the third bonus is their agency license and is worth $1,997. So this means you can get help. You can help other people to get buyer traffic and get paid $297 to $497 for just a simple task that can be done in minutes. And then their fourth bonus is 247 premium support. The value according to them is priceless. And then the fifth bonus is $100 over $100 a day with Money Buildrr case study. And now I have shown you guys, and remember, You also have 180-day money back guarantee. I have shown you the bonuses that he has added, and I'm going to take you guys to my own awesome bonuses, guys. So these are my bonuses, 5 of my bonuses. So the first one is worth $427.95, and you get to learn how to get better conversion. The second one is how you can make an app in less than 25 minutes. And then the third one is Juno's Bing Ads hack. The fourth one is license right to Aurora, and the fifth one, you have access to all vendor bonuses, guys. All you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to my page. Remember, if it is just the front end that you are buying, my bonuses shall be added. So you have a total of 10 bonuses for just a $17 worth of this whole pack, which is just the front end, and then you can upgrade at your own time. All right, speaking of prices and upsells, so the front end is $17, like I mentioned. You have access to the software and the training models and all the bonuses included, provided that you are buying within this time frame, because as soon as the timer runs out, gets to 000, my 5 bonuses isn't guaranteed anymore. All right, so the first upsell is the unlimited, is $37. So you have unlimited accounts, forms, leads, emails, autoresponders, and more. And second upsell is automation, $37, allows the user to schedule their campaigns. And then the third upsell is the done for you, which is $197. So you get done for you personal setup by their team. And then the fourth upsell is done for you campaigns also, which is worth $47. So all their top software all set up for you to sell as your own. And the fifth upsell is $197, your Google and Facebook pixels on their top selling sales page. The sixth upsell is the white label, which is worth $997. So full installation and customized branding of the profit mailer software plus developer support. And then the seventh upsell is the reseller, which is $47. So you get commissions and affiliate materials for profit mailer. And then the eighth upsell is the traffic saver pack, which is worth $27. So Warrior Plus Saver membership, plus you get past products plus small products added throughout the month, available on a monthly membership. And then their night upsell, which is the Money Builder Gold Mine 1K Club, is $37. So guys, like I said earlier, I've shown you guys some of the benefits that you may be interested in getting. I have shown you the sales page, I have shown you the prices, the upsells, I have shown you guys the bonuses, my bonuses, and then the bonuses that David and Al added. Now I'm going to take you guys to the members areas. Let's see how it looks like. So once you log in, this is the members area, this is the dashboard, what you get. So you get to see the page builder, the autoresponder, the post king, and then the image editor. So all you need to do is just to click here where it shows click here, and then you go from there. And again, if you have issues, questions, all you need to do is to click on the support button and then submit a ticket, and they will respond to your questions. And also for the tutorials, you click on this. So let's see how the page builder looks like once we click on it. So this is, got to sign in, got to log in, and let's see about the autoresponder, how it looks like. Okay, this is the autoresponder, guys. This is how it looks like. Let's see. You get to see the activity log, the campaigns open, and the campaign clicks, the clicked links, and then your JV access and all that. You also, this is the list growth and the recently sent campaigns, the sending credits unlimited, the campaigns unlimited, the list unlimited, and then subscriber unlimited. And let's see about the post king. Click on it, and this is what you get. Let's see, this is what it shows. So you get to see all your social media stuff, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, just name it, those that were successful and those that failed. All right, guys, I have shown you pretty much everything, guys. Okay, this is the image editor. So this is what it looks like. So you have all those tools that you can use to edit, resize, filter, and all of that. Change the images that you want to post. Alrighty, guys, now I have shown you pretty much everything, the sales page, what these guys are saying, and even the users of the app, what they are saying about the app. I have also shown you the features of the app and ways through steps to deploy the app, and the bonuses that David and Al added, 5 bonuses that they added, and 5 of mine that I've added. I've discussed the sales, I've discussed the upsells, as well as the prices. And guys, basically that's all I have to offer today. Do not forget to click on the link that is in the description box below. It takes you to my bonus page, and remember that the clock is ticking. The sooner you get it, the better. And again, if you know someone that this app will be of use to, do not forget to share. Also, click the like, subscribe button and the bell icon for notification, and leave a comment as well, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.